This one is pegged with flavor. What's up everyone? Today we are making one of my family's favorite, seafood boil. It's simple, comforting, and full of flavor. Let me show you everything we are using. Some raw king prawns, New Zealand Greenlip mussel, some clams, raw Argentinian prawns, some smoked sausages and eggs, cooked crab sets, raw lobster tails, sweet corn and potatoes, salted butter, some garlic and onion, lemon, orange, and my favorite spices. Now I put my potatoes and eggs to boil. Well, in the same saucepan, it doesn't matter. My butterfly, my lobster tail. Make sure you use the scissors. This is nice and fresh. I love this sausage. Look at that. Now my potatoes and eggs are done. Don't keep them for long. My sausages are brown, golden brown. Smells good. Let's have a taste together. Very hot. Tasting good. In that same pan, loads of butter. I love that sound. Now I add my fresh garlic, some onions, garlic powder, Cajun spice, seafood seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, a little stir, and of course the flavor bomb. some orange juice for that sweetness. And of course a little squeeze of lemon. This smells good. Now we leave this to simmer. 1, 2 tasting. The flavors are coming together. Now we put all those ingredients that cook long first. Look at that. Now we pour in all that sauce in. Oh my God, this is amazing. A little shake. Make sure everything is mixed together. Fry it in the oven. Can't wait for the outcome. Now we peel the eggs while we wait for the seafood to cook. I don't like peeling eggs. Oh la la. Now we're halfway through. We add everything else in the bag. Make sure you tie the bag properly and cover it with foil. Now back in the oven. And of course, my favorite part of the day, my detox tea. I love a herbal tea. lemon. I love this. Now I chop my spring onion for my garnishing. It's done. The time we've been waiting for. Oh, that sauce on top. Can't wait to eat this. And my spring onions on top. The color combination. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, like and press that subscribe button for more.